How to use Bitwarden. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can secure your data and passwords using Bitwarden. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to bitwarden.com and you will land on this platform right here. Bitwarden is a platform that allows you to save all of your data. You can protect your sensitive information, and it is very fast way to do so. You will be able to boost your productivity and experience the power of open source with Bitwarden. Bitwarden is really famous and it has all the right features and tools for us. To get started with Bitwarden, what you have to do is you will click on this button right here which says Get Started, and you will be able to sign up for Bitwarden. The signing up process is really easy. All you have to do is enter your email address, name, then we set up a master password. This is the password for Bitwarden, and then we will retype master password, and if you want any hint you can get it. Click on by checking this box, I agree to terms and services, and then click on submit. Once you sign up or sign into your Bitwarden, this is where you will get, and you can see the signing up process literally takes 1 minute. So once you have signed in, this is where you will get, let me show you around how we use Bitwarden. So we have vaults, like we have vaults in real life where we save our very precious things. Similarly, we can save our information, our sensitive information right here in these vaults. So you can create different vaults and then you can add different categories to each vault. For example, I can create a vault for my family, and then I can add my credit cards, my security number, or if there is a joint account information, all of the information that is used by my family, I can save that in one vault. Then I can create another vault for my social media and I can save all of my passwords right there. So that is how it simply works. To create a brand new vault, what you have to do is click on Add Item, and this is actually one of the vault that is already created. You can see right here, this is my vault that they have already created for us. This is the simple vault. Click on Add Item, and once you click on Add Item, you will be able to select from different categories available on Bitwarden. So if it's a login information, card information, identity, or secure node. So this is actually a login information, and the name is again going to be my name. I'm gonna enter my username, of course. This is for my Facebook. Let's say that this is my Facebook login information. What I can do is I can enter the URL of Facebook right here, or my profile directly right here, and it will then autofill my information whenever I will want it to be. So you can go to the platform and you can grab the URL. You can grab the URL of your Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, any platform that you're using. You can, simply add them right here. Then you will enter the username that you use on that platform. Again, we have to enter the password, of course, the password that we want to save. So let's say that this is the password that I want to save for this website. Click on Save and your new item will be created right here. You can see this is my new item. Similarly, we can select from different items right here as well. Again, we have login, card identity, and secure notes. Click on New Organization and it will allow you to create a brand new vault for yourself, a new organization where you can add your different team members and you can create different companies and add information. We can use Bitwarden for personal use, then we have families, teams, and enterprise. With different pricing plans, of course, the different features and tools will increase. So let's go ahead and check out the pricing plan for Bitwarden really quickly. So this is the pricing plan for Bitwarden. You can see we can use it for free and we will be getting unlimited passwords, unlimited devices, all the core function, and it is always free. So this is actually pretty good. We can create a free account on Bitwarden. Then we have a premium, which is less than $1 per month, and it is going to be just $10 if billed annually. And we're also getting the Bitwarden Authenticator, security reports, and advanced 2FA. Then there is a family plan, which is $3.33 per month, and it is good for 6 users, and it's going to be $40 per month. We're getting 6 premium accounts, unlimited sharing, and more. So the pricing plan is actually pretty reasonable with Bitwarden, and you can sign up for any of this plan and get all the features and tools. So we're back on our dashboard here, and I showed you how to add an item, how to create a new organization. We can also create a new folder. So I can give my folder a name. Let's call it social media, right? And what I can do now is I can click on save, and then a new folder will be created. So I can add different items into one folder, and it will help me organize my Bitwarden. Let's go ahead and create another item. Click on add item. This time I can go with a card. Let me show you. Once you select a card, then we have to enter a name, card holder name, number, security code, folder, because we have different folders, so we can select a folder from here. Then we have a brand. If it's a Visa, MasterCard, or anything, I'm going to select MasterCard from here. Then we have expiration date and expiration year. So you enter your name here, then you're going to enter the card holder name, right? And then you have to enter your card number, enter your security code, and all of your information will be saved right here. You can see. Again, I can click on new item. This time, let's create a new identity. So if it's an identity card, and I can add any kind of identity card right here. So all you have to do is enter the name, of course. Then we have to select the folder, select the title. So it's going to be Miss. Then we have first name. Then we have middle name. Then we have last name, username, company, whatever company you work in. We have social security number, passport number, and then we have license number. So you can add any kind of information here. You can enter your email address, notes, whatever you want to. And we can also add new fields such as name, value. If you want to delete it, you can delete from here. And we can add links or more. Click on save, and your new item will be saved right here. And it's a identity card. Now we have one left, which is the secure note. So we can not only add our sensitive information right here, our data, but we can also create secure notes. So you're going to enter your name right here. And then all you have to do is enter the note that you have, like anything you want to type right here. You will enter your note, click on save, and a new note will be saved. Now I can actually organize them the way I want to. I can add them into a folder. We get settings here. You can select and delete them. Then we have these three dots right here that allow you to attach, clone, move to organization, or delete. We have this send option right here. Send allows us to send files through our Bitwarden, and we can create and send files and notes from here. Then we have tools. In tools, we have the generators, import data information, anything for our passwords. And then we have reports. Reports will show you your secure and weak passwords. Then we have unsecure websites and different information. So Bitwarden is all in one platform that gives you the right information about your data. You will be able to save and secure your information. You will be able to save your notes, your ID cards, identity cards, and your passwords really easily using Bitwarden. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to use Bitwarden. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.